Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ya, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you an update of my Ayurvedic growth oil. I'm going to show you how I remade it, and I'm going to be responding to some comments on that video and just some other comments that are most popular on my videos, on my hair videos, and I'm just going to address those. And so before I get into this, I will link the original video above. You can click on that after you watch this, or you can watch that one prior, but I don't think it matters. So in that video, this is my very first time making any kind of like Ayurvedic oil or Ayurvedic health, natural hair, like growth kind of care type of thing. And so I just used every oil I had. The instructions call for coconut oil, but in my past and also even currently, like, coconut oil does not do anything for my hair. It literally just sits on top of my hair unless if I'm like doing a hot oil treatment or something. Then if it's warm enough, then it penetrates into my hair shaft. But besides that, other coconut oil just doesn't do it for me. And so I didn't want to use the coconut oil, and so I used whatever oil that I had. I initially planned to just use olive oil, but I didn't have enough, and my olive oil is also my cooking oil, and so I didn't want to use all of it for hair stuff. So if you watch that video, you can tell that I just left a little bit of it, but when you go look at that video, in the comments, it's so funny. I was just like, it's just oil. Like, what's the matter? Like, what's the problem? It's just oils. But people were so like, oh, next time use pure oils. Keep all your ingredients natural. And then a lot of people liked that comment. And another one was, use 100% pure extra virgin and cold pressed. None of those oils have any nutrients. The oil you use are not pure and are full of silicone. And then there's more, but I'm not going to read all of it. And then there's just like a lot of dislikes. This is like my most disliked video. And so I guess the argument was that I didn't use pure oils. So I guess in the next clip you're going to see me use pure oils. But I thought it was funny. I was like, wow, people really care about oils. And the next thing was, people were asking about the update. How has it helped with my hair? Keep in mind, I'm going to insert some clips, and then you can see my hair growth and how my hair looks like from when I started this channel up until maybe last month. Because I've had braids in, so up to last month. And so keep in mind that I have been doing other like Ayurveda healthcare, and I've also been doing a lot of protective styling. So can I completely attribute it to the Ayurvedic oil that I made? I can't, because I've done other things to help aid my hair growth. And so the length check is not the best, but I think after I take out these braids, I'm going to do a proper length check and then come back in a few months and then do an update. So but what I have noticed about my hair is that there is thickness. And so another person you can also watch who introduced me to this is Fusion of Cultures, and so she's been doing this natural hair care thing for a long time. And so you can go watch her channel. I will leave a link below, and you can see how she makes her mix. And so in this video, in the next clip, I'm showing you guys how I made my new batch. And I use pure oils. So before you even go, here's the batch I made. It looks dark because I let it infuse for like 2 weeks, and it wasn't on purpose. I just forgot about it, and because my hair is braided. And it was okay. Now on to the new and improved Ayurvedic oil for hair growth. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, do all the things. Bye.